Are you missing the Actioncenterhelper DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. For professional-grade Actioncenterhelper maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Actioncenterhelper, a helper module for the Security and Maintenance Actioncenter subsystem. It functions as a bridge between the WMI repository, specifically Root Security Center 2, and the user mode notification UI. It executes polling routines to check for firewall status, antivirus signature dates, and backup health, then triggers the shelled notify icon or toast notifications via the Actioncenter API if health manifests fall below policy thresholds. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. If Actioncenterhelper.dll is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scannow from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Actioncenterhelper component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Actioncenterhelper DLL with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If your workstation feels less efficient, the resource below provides background information on managing Actioncenterhelper. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Actioncenterhelper error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.